Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download the Dollar General app on your Android device. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the PlayStore app. Once the home page of the PlayStore app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the search bar, type in DOLLARGENERAL and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, the Dollar General app will appear on your screen. On the right hand side of the app, you'll see the install button. Go ahead and click on it. Once the Dollar General app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, an open button will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see, the Dollar General app is completely installed and ready to use on your Android device. I hope this video helped you to download the Dollar General app on your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.